Hi dear students, once again this is Amit Anand Pandey coming with some concepts of chemistry again in very interesting way, tricky way. Today we are going to discuss electronegativity, one very important feature that is to be used very widely in chemistry. While understanding the bonding in the chemistry, it is very important to know about electronegativity. Electronegativity can be defined as the tendency of any atom or element in a bonded molecule to pull the shared pair of electron towards itself. When some element atom is more electronegative than the other one, that means that is pulling that electron pair, that bonded pair of electron towards itself, and that is known to be electronegativity. Electronegativity is the tendency of the atom in a compound to pull the electron pair towards itself. That is known to be electronegativity, and that tendency is going to change when we are having that periodic table, when we are moving left to right there, when we are moving left to right, then the tendency to pull the shared pair of electron increases, and the maximum value of the electronegativity is there for fluorine. The second period elements are having the high value of electronegativity due to their smaller size. Elements present in the second period can be remained by knowing one simple general trick, that is Li, Be, Buck, Funny. Li for lithium, Be for beryllium, Buck, Bc, it is boron and carbon, No, that is No, nitrogen and oxygen, Funny, it is F and Ne, that F for fluorine and Ne for neon. So dear students, you can remind the elements of the second period by the trick in very general way, that is starting from lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Now by moving left to right, consider the electronegativity of lithium is 1. In the Pauling scale we are discussing the electronegativity of lithium is 1, and that is going up to 4 for fluorine. And by moving left to right, for each of the element there is increase by 0.5 in the electronegativity value in the Pauling scale. It is 1 for lithium, 1.5 for beryllium, 2 for boron, then 2.5 for carbon, 3 for nitrogen, 3.5 for oxygen, and 4 for fluorine. That is the highest value for any of the element present in the periodic table. To remind the elements whose are having the highest value of electronegativity, we just have to remind phone call. What do we have to remind? Phone call. But the spelling of that phone call is going to be quite different from that. That is going to be F-O-N and C-A-L-L. What do you have to remind? F-O-N and C-A-L-L. And the sequence, the electronegativity, what elements or atoms are coming out from that trick phone call, that is F for fluorine, O for oxygen, N for nitrogen, call, that is Cl, that is chlorine. So the sequence of the decreasing order of electronegativity from fluorine to chlorine, it is F, O, N and then Cl. Phone call. Thank you students. I think that will help you. So please be there and subscribe my channel. Do comment for getting new tricks in chemistry. Thank you.